Welcome to Phone Transformer, where I will show you exactly how to back up your Android device so you never have to worry about losing your precious photos or contacts. Protecting your data is a vital step before switching phones or performing a reset, so now let's get started. For method 1, step 1, swipe up on your home screen and tap on the gear icon to get into your settings menu immediately. This menu is the heart of your phone, where you can control everything from security to how your data is stored and synced. Step 2. Scroll down through the list of options and tap on Accounts and Backup or System depending on the specific version of Android you're using. This section is where your phone manages your cloud identities and provides the tools necessary to keep your information safe. Step 3, tap on Backup Data to Google Drive section to prepare your device for uploading your information to the secure cloud. Using Google Drive is essential because it allows you to easily restore your apps, call history, and device settings to any new Android phone. Step 4, tap on Backup Now to start the manual synchronization process and ensure your most recent data is saved right away. This step is important to perform while connected to Wi-Fi so that all your large files are uploaded quickly without using up your mobile data. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.